Fatima's treasure. In the autumn of 1229, King James's troops reached Majorca. They advanced slowly from the west towards the city of Palma. In the Almudaina Palace, the Wali, Abu Yahya, set about organising the island's defence, fearing for his land and people. His daughter Fatima was about to marry a rich Muslim. Her dowry was all prepared, with jewels and other treasures safely stored away in splendid chests. To protect his daughter, the Wali decided to hide her in the isolated Tramontana Mountains until the day of his victory. Her betrothed took her to a cave on the slope of a hill close to where Puigpunyent lies today. There, the sorrowful Fatima spent the cold winter days telling stories to her ladies-in-waiting and trying on the jewels from her dowry. On the 31st of December, just after the winter solstice, the deafening sound of the battle that brought down the walls of Medina Majorca floated up to the cave. Sensing defeat, Fatima let out such a piercing scream that it touched off an avalanche that sealed the mouth of the cave, trapping the beautiful Moorish princess within. They say that every summer solstice, at the stroke of midnight, the rocks roll aside and the cave opens to let out a golden bull that circles the mountain 7 times. If someone were to feed the bull bread that has been blessed and attach a lit candle to each of its horns, it would burst and the mountain would part to reveal Fatima's treasure. Who amongst you is brave enough to try?